What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. What's up, guys? Welcome. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we have a Christmas special. We're going to be doing something, and today we have a Christmas special. What the f? Today I'm going to be dyeing my dog's hair red and green, like permanently, like it's permanent. It's gonna be so funny, like when my mom walks in and she sees her. But it's completely non-toxic for dogs. That's why I actually considered doing it. This is gonna be raw. Wait, look at it. I got tender green and hot red. So oh, you haven't even seen my dog. Look, it's gonna be so funny. She's gonna be all red and green. Like, I don't know how it's gonna look on black hair though. But her hair is like kind of a light black. It's not like mine. So we're gonna see how it is. But she's mostly white, so she's gonna get colored. I wonder how it like smells. But alright, let's get started. I wonder if like she's gonna know. You think she's gonna know? Be like, I mean, dogs are colorblind, right? But like in black and white, you could see like different dog, you know what? Like every color in black and white doesn't look the same. Like it'll look like, you think she'll notice? Like she'll be like, what the fuck? Oh shit, I look like a murderer. Dude, I've washed my hands like 9 times. And it's like deep in there, like it's not coming out. Ready for this big reveal? Ooh. I think it's so funny how her stomach's blue, like, how her stomach's green. I didn't even think it actually dyed because I couldn't see the green when I was dyeing it. I don't even think she notices. Alright, but next time you see me is gonna be when my mom or my sister's home and we're gonna get the reaction on camera.
You're gonna get me a purse.
Look at Kukla.
Honey, is that gonna rub off?
No.